like to thank the ICT department, and in particular Mr. Koed Martin, our facilitator, who also happens to be HOD ICT. Thank you very much for organizing this workshop. I know it's going to make the work of class teachers very easy. As deputy, it will also help me do many things. Talk about entering data, grading, totaling, to mention but a few. It is now easy for us to do all of this.
We have really benefited. Personally, I have benefited. I have come to know so many packages that I have not been used to. I would like to call upon my colleagues to make the best use of this knowledge gained and put it into practice, because if you are resistant to change, change will change you.
We learned quite a number of things. We can grade using formulae. We can actually make comments using a formula. We can position using a formula. We can print. We can now create a visitation mark sheet.
In fact, I've learned a lot. I've learned how to freeze paints. I've learned how to calculate percentages of marks. I really thank this department of ICT.
In absence or presence of Ms. Okoye, school will run, filling end of term, beginning of term, making the reports. Everything is now computerized, and the information is here now. There is no doubt.
I have learned a lot of things here, so many challenges, so many benefits.
There's yet a lot we need to discover from this project, so that we shall be able to handle all the problems concerning mark sheeting.
I think it has been a wonderful workshop, and we are in position now to handle mark sheeting. But my humble appeal to the facilitator is that if in the near future we could be assisted once more to enhance the skills that we have got.
I must say I've learned a lot, and I would like to appreciate you, the facilitator, for the work well done. You have really been shouldering a lot of responsibility on the part of the class teachers. I say all this from the innermost better part of the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Stay.